this is Dr. Hamer, owner of Ponte Vedra Wellness Center. And today, Janine and Lisa are going to show you how to make some do-it-yourself homemade masks. We've had several of our patients ask us what they need to do to get masks. So we're going to show you today how to make a really simple, no sewing, do-it-yourself mask. Just remember, this is not a medical grade mask. This is just something you could use to simply go out to your doctor's appointments or in the grocery store or the pharmacy. So I'm going to turn it over to Janine and Lisa, and they're going to simply show you how to make these. All right, here we go.
Okay, hello. Okay, so first we start with a t-shirt. We just cut out, I would say maybe a 6 by 10 inch square. So then you start by just folding it in half, hot dog style. And then we cut our coffee filters just the top off. We're gonna place that right in the middle of our little rectangle. Then we're gonna fold the top down, and then we will fold the bottom up. And then with our little rubber bands, we're just gonna slip them over the ends on both sides. And then you fold each side in, hamburger style, and there it is. You slip them right over your ears. So you can
Perfect. And just remember, when you go to the store, don't pull that mask up over your nose, under your chin. Keep it out. You don't want to contaminate it. So make sure you pull it off by the rubber bands, and you're very careful. Keep it on at all times. Sanitize your hands before taking it off. If you're going to put it back in your car, keep it on an uncontaminated surface. For any more questions, let us know. We're here to help you in the office, and we'll do some more updates periodically for you, and we hope this helps you.
All right, bye.